Hi, my name is Mary. The procedure I got done here at Center One Dental is anterior crowns. I think I've dealt with dental issues practically my whole life in one way. I've always, in one way, had very nice teeth, especially the front when I was younger. I think I was just one of those people that spent half my life going to a dentist, and unfortunately, every time I went, somebody was pulling something out of my mouth, which was very heartbreaking over the years. So the past several years, I just was trying to brush and maybe brushing too hard and doing everything possible. And I just was very unhappy with the staining on my teeth. And they were getting darker and yellower. And I thought, oh my goodness, they're my beautiful front teeth that kind of look nice from 20 years ago, not in your 50s.
When Mary came here, she was really unhappy with the way that her teeth looked and the discoloration that she had, especially in her front teeth. And this was really stopping her from smiling and, showing off her teeth in public. And we were able to, in a quick way, give her a beautiful smile that she was happy about. And it's really great for us to see someone, truly be out there and be able to smile and tell us about how that experience has affected their life.
I first came into the office. I will admit I felt very comfortable. From walking into the receptionist, Courtney, and all the other fabulous girls. There's something very warm about everybody. There's a part of me that felt insecure and nervous and almost a little ashamed of myself because I was like, hey, I want to do this. I don't know where to start. And what are my options at this point when my options were more limited with the little remaining teeth I had left? And I remember the dentist, when he came in, he just looked at me and he goes, we didn't really say much yet, but he had just said you were going to be ecstatic with the results. And I just looked at him and I was like, really? And that's kind of how I wanted to feel, probably in my heart, but I wasn't sure if that was going to be a reality. And here in the long run it was, and I'm very happy.
So for Mary to get her smile where we needed it, she got 4 crowns in the anterior. And just with a simple procedure like that, 2 visits, we were able to really change her life.
It really wasn't that bad. And I think that's why I'm glad I got that opportunity, because I probably would have done it a while ago if I realized there was more options available. I think in my mind when I came, all I kept reading about and hearing about were people putting all these veneers and things on your teeth. And I said, whoa, that's a lot of money, even if I have a little, some money. So I think in the back of my mind, I didn't realize there was other options. So when the good dentist said to me, crowns, I'm thinking crowns on my front teeth. Honestly, I didn't know you could do crowns on your front teeth. I got bridges in the back. I'm working on my partials. I've had all kind of bonding over the years. However, I really didn't know people put crowns, which is actually a very simple answer to a complex problem.
Seeing patients come in with old work or, just simple work that can be redone or done is very common. And, within 1-2 visits, we can really change people's lives and give them the smiles that they deserve and have been wishing for a long time.
In one word, a smile basically means joy. I would say joy as in there's a greater inner happiness that I feel better about myself. I feel like I took a path towards better health and try to make a commitment to stay in better health. And overall, that's actually a joyous feeling, because it's almost like there's a stress lifted from you. There's like an inner stress that's gone and it's replaced with you're just joyfully satisfied.